Morning, guys. Jeff and his pond here. Um, so, if some of you are offended by God and talk about God and stuff like that, I'll let you know right now. Go ahead and turn this video off, and don't hate me. Just wait for the next video to pop up. So, anyway, I'm sitting out here by the pond, having a cup of coffee. It's morning. I'm sitting out here in what I sleep in. And no, I don't sleep naked. Anyway, just enjoying watching the water run down over the rocks, and enjoying the sound of the water as it comes down and bubbles and hits the rocks and bubbles in the water, and just kind of letting my mind wander and think, wow, I built this thing a long time ago, and when the waterfall is on, it's on, and it filters the water, and it cleans the water, and this thing can go months at a time and beyond, and I don't have to shut it off and do maintenance or repairs or anything else. Maybe we'll get to see a robin pop in there and take a bath if we're lucky. But what I wanted to say was, this waterfall and this pond are a lot like God. He's always there. He's always on. He's always listening. He's always here for us. We just have to take time out of our busy lives and sit. There's nothing that we have to do. There's not a thing that we have to do to stop and be with him. We can come to him in prayer. We can sit. We can quiet our minds. And it's like this waterfall, it never shuts off. And, sorry, there was a bug on me. Here, let's see if we can get in there closer so you can watch this guy take a bath. Where'd he go? Oh, he got out already. But it's a good example for me because I have this oasis right one step off my deck. I look at it 55,000 times a day out my windows. I sit and listen to it, sometimes daily, sometimes I'm way too busy, and I have so much stuff clouding my mind that, boy, when I just take the time to sit and quiet myself and have a cup of coffee or whatever, and just sit here on the deck and just watch the waterfall and listen to it, it's amazing. So I hope you can find that place, that special moment, if you're a believer, that you can actually spend time with God, and maybe a robin, and maybe just watch him jump from rock to rock and back. We'll zoom back out here. So yeah, I guess I'm rambling, but I have so many thoughts and things I want to say that are going through my mind. It's hard to sort them out, but just know, beyond the shadow of a doubt, that God will never leave you. You don't have to understand everything about God. I sure don't. Nobody does. And that's where a lot of people get caught up and triggered and get mad at God and stuff. They try to figure him out. Well, you're never going to be able to. So you might as well relax and take him at his word. You've got to have faith, and that's the hardest thing. That's the hardest thing. What is it? Faith is the essence of things believed in but not yet seen, but you believe it anyway. So I hope you have a good day, and maybe soon I'll be out here having a cup of coffee, depending on the weather, and maybe I'll just shoot a video and not have any talk, and maybe I'll just give you